Bonjour, bienvenue, and welcome to Bicycle Gourmet's Mother's Day Wine Vine, where we salute all mothers, and mothers-to-be, with something that's tastier than flowers and lasts longer than chocolates. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Mother's Day wine number 1 is a 2016 Acre Cabernet Savignon, a classic Napa Cab with the signature deep ruby color and a mix of white pepper, clove, and spice cake aromas. A hearty wine that goes best with meat, sausages, and strong cheese. Mom Pleaser number 2 is a 2019 Acre Sauvignon Blanc. This crisp, clean, fresh wine has a bright green gold hue with aromatic notes of apricot, white peaches, nectarine, and citrus blossoms. The vibrant acidity is nicely balanced across the palate with a rich and textured mouthfeel. Mom Treasure number 3 is a 2017 Spring Seed Floral Clock Chardonnay. Its fresh citrus and stone fruit with a hint of pineapple works well with roast chicken, mushroom risotto, prawns, and shellfish. And saving the best for the last, we have the Mother's Day Sampler. 6 bottles of your choice, red, white, or mixed. And because it is Mother's Day, you're going to get 20% off all these wines if you use the code FloralMom20. More details on these wines in the description below.